The Moon has been the target of numerous missions by various countries over the years, with both successful and failed attempts. Here is a selection of notable successful and unsuccessful missions to the Moon up to my last knowledge update in September 2021. Successful Moon missions. Luna 2, USSR, launched on September 12, 1959. Luna 2 was the first human-made object to reach the Moon. It crash-landed on the Moon, marking the first successful impact on another celestial body. Apollo Program, USA. NASA's Apollo program included several successful missions to the Moon. Apollo 11, in particular, made history in July 1969 when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the Moon. Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, USA. Launched in 2009. LRO is a NASA mission designed to map the Moon's surface in high detail. It has been highly successful in providing data for future lunar missions. Chang'e Program, China. China's Chang'e program includes a series of successful lunar missions. Chang'e 3, launched in 2013, landed a rover on the Moon. Chang'e 4, launched in 2018, successfully landed on the far side of the Moon. Lunar orbiter missions, several countries, including the USA, India, and Japan, have launched lunar orbiters to study the Moon. The Indian Space Research Organization's Chandrayaan-2 mission, launched in 2019, included an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. Failed Moon missions. Luna 1958A and 1958B, USSR. In 1958, the USSR attempted 2 lunar missions, but both failed to reach the Moon. Ranger Program, USA. The early Ranger missions in the 1960s were designed to take close-up images of the Moon and transmit them back to Earth. The first several missions were unsuccessful, but later ones provided valuable data. Bereshit, Israel. Launched in 2019, Bereshit was an Israeli spacecraft that aimed to land on the Moon but crashed during its descent due to technical issues. Chandrayaan-2, India. While the orbiter of Chandrayaan-2 successfully reached lunar orbit in 2019, the lander, Vikram, had a hard landing attempt and was considered a failure. Surveyor Program, USA. The Surveyor program, which preceded the Apollo missions, involved robotic landers sent to the Moon. While some missions were successful, there were failures, including Surveyor 2, which crashed into the Moon in 1966. Please note that there have been many more missions to the Moon, and the status of lunar exploration may have changed since my last update. Many nations and space agencies continue to pursue lunar missions as part of their exploration efforts.